everybody, welcome to my art channel. My name is Soraya. So I received a commission I was super happy about, and she picked some beautiful colors. You'll see what happens in the video, but I wanted to let you know that I just got so excited about the whole thing that I forgot to take my pictures at the end, a video. I just forgot. I just wanted to get it to her as soon as possible. And anyway, so I don't have up close images, just the ones when they are still wet, when it's still wet. But it turned out beautifully and she was super happy. So yay, but keep watching. So here's the canvas. It's a 24-inch by 40-inch gallery wrapped canvas. And I quickly wanted to show you the colors. This is Deco Art 24 karat gold, Pebeo Studio Payne's Gray, Liquitex Burnt Umber, Artist Loft Soft Body Acrylics Paint. I had set up two cameras, one from this side that you're currently seeing and one from my side, and you can see the difference in colors just by the way the light was shining on the paint. I really love working in the 24 karat gold because it really stays as its own color. It does not mix with the blue because that would normally make a green, but it stays true to its color. You have the gold and you have the blue. It's beautiful. So I mixed up my paints with 2 parts Floetrol and 1 part paint, a little bit of water. The gold is the exception, only water. As I'm blowing, I'm really taking my time to work towards the vision that I have in my head, and also to try and preserve any kind of cells or lacing that comes up with the Floetrol. At the beginning, when I am blowing it out, it does take a bit of time for it to take any shape or any semblance of something that will look as a beautiful piece of artwork. So don't be discouraged if you're doing it. Keep going and work towards that vision that you might have in your head. I sing next. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. I wasn't too happy with the burnt umber coming through in patches there, and so I decided to take some of that gold and go over it and then blow it out a little bit more. As I was blowing it out this time, you could see that it became a lot softer, and I'm really happy with the way it was looking. happy with the way it's looking. Look at this beautiful gold. It's just popping through different places and it's breaking up, which I love. It kind of looks and reminds me of rocks, and it's all kind of coming down to here. There's just so many beautiful areas. Look at the cells here. Wow. I can't wait to see how it dries and if I need to embellish it or not. Maybe add another color. I don't know. Anyway, I'll see you back here in just 1 second. So I was so excited for this commission to show the client. I totally forgot to take pictures and video of it when it dried, but it dried beautifully and she was super happy.